God elevates you as He's going to determine by your submission to His will, submission to His will. What is the will of God? The will of God is that we do our best. And we work and will listen. I don't mean that you break your heart or your heart over your job, but I mean that is whatever He calls us, He expects our best. If I'm expecting God to lift me, then I must do my best whatever. And whatever I'm doing now, here's the problem. We get our eyes off God and we focus onto our business, to our people to work with, and we think, well, mararamdaman mo kapag nakafocus ka doon sa mga tao na they don't like me, they won't ever give me a raise, or they won't love me, they won't choose me, they won't ever give me a promotion. I'm just stuck here, and you know what? I don't have hope. This is the best thing na kailangan maisip natin. And yung kagaya na ito nararamdaman natin, minsan parang we feel like we never make in life. You have your focus on the wrong persons. Lagi mo lang dapat makita o maramdaman na or maintindihan sa sarili mo kapag ganito yung naramdaman mo at nakapokus ka na sa tao, you focus on the wrong person. Listen to what Jesus said. Humble yourselves under the mighty hand of God. He will exalt you at the right or a proper time. Minsan kasi nakapokus tayo sa attention ng tao sa buhay natin, na gagalingan natin kasi gusto ng tao na yon yung ginagawa natin. Gagalingan natin kasi gusto ng tao na yung ginagawa natin. At kapag hindi na dumating dun sa point na hindi na tayo nila gusto, ano yung pakiramdam natin na wala na tayong silbi sa buhay natin. Because we're focused on the wrong person. Pero pag nag-focus tayo kay God, we off our eyes to God Kinakalimutan natin siya. Hindi natin siya nakikita na tayo mag-focus sa Kanya. Nagpo-focus tayo sa maling tao. Pero, when we focus on God, He exalts us at the right time. Hindi niya tayo pamabayaan. Kapag nag-focus tayo sa maling tao, mararamdaman natin yung failure. Kasi, we aiming or desire the attention of these people sa life natin para mabuhay tayo, para maging masaya tayo. Dapat hindi. Put God first in everything. Siya muna, rather than anyone. Kasi kapag nag-focus ka sa Kanya, darating yung time, you humble yourself to Him. He will lift you up. And hope you learn something in this motivational talk natin. Thank you everyone, and God bless.